Hey, hi guys. So today we are going to solve this problem related to subset sum, which is asked in Salesforce. So let me find out this question. So I have already opened. So here it is partition equals subset sum. So we have to figure out given an integer array nums return true if you can partition the array into two subsets such that sum of the elements in both subset is equal or false otherwise. Okay, so if we will able to divide this array into two subsets with having uh, same sum in both subset, then we will be returning true as false. So I think it is pretty much straightforward DP. So we are going to use 2D DP here. So let me start with that. So here we need sum of all the elements. So here let me take sum of all the elements, and we will take this as this one. And if summation is odd, then it is not possible to divide into two subsets with equal sum. So here we will directly return false here. Okay, and also we are going to check first element if it is equal to half of the total sum. So then we will return true here. Now, first element, what we are going to do, total size of this array is n, and here what we are going to take, we are going to take this boolean 2D array for DP purpose, and by default it will be false. So here n is the elements and sum is the total sum is m. So m plus 1, because it is 0 based index, we have to take m plus 1. And here if you see by default it will be false all the values. Now what we are going to do, first element we are going to consider 0 0 as a true. Also dp of 0 and nums of 0 also we are going to mark true. So we, whichever ij is possible. So I is the ith element we are picking, and j is the sum as sum j. Okay, then we are going to take this as true. Now coming to next part, we will start I from 1, and here we will move till less than n and minus 1 basically. And here there will be one more loop which we will start j from 1 and j less than equal to m total sum. Okay, also we don't need to go to the total sum, we can go to till half also. And here because the I 0 0 sum 0, it will always be true, so we will mark as true. And what we are going to consider here, now coming to this part, we are starting from 1 0, we already marked as true. So what we are going to do, we are going to take dp of ij equal to dp. It can be possible it already formed from till last element I minus 1 element, and it can be possible we can form by this thing j minus nums of I, and it should be greater than equal to 0. And here dp of basically I minus 1 till last, because here we are considering this element nums of I. So remaining will be j minus nums of I. So that should be greater than equal to 0. And we will check till I minus 1 this remaining sum. Okay, if it is true, then we will have answer as true for this one. and here till that, and here we will check if dp of I and m by 2. If it is true, then obviously what we can do, we can return true here. If it is not possible, then we can directly return from here false. Okay, so let me recheck it. So m is the total sum we are taking. We are here. If it is odd, then we are returning false. If nums 0th element, because we are forming DP of 0th array, row first, and we are starting from 1th element. And here, if you see, if it is same or less than equal to total sum, then sorry, equal to sum, half of the sum, then we are going to return true. Else we are iterating from 1 to n minus 1, and we always the zero sum always it will be possible. So we are marking as true, and we are starting j from 1 till half of the total sum. Okay, here it is. It should be j, and now we are checking if it is whether till last element it was we were able to form or not this summation j sum, and uh, else we are trying j minus nums of I, because nums of I we are considering for ith element, and remaining we are checking till last element I minus 1. So dp of I minus 1 we are checking. So if it is possible, then obviously uh, it will return true. And after that, we are checking whether till this current element, half of the sum is possible to form. If it is, then we are returning true. Else, if it is not possible, we are outside this loop. We are returning false. So let me run it. Okay, let me try to submit it. Yeah, so it's working fine. Thanks, guys.